So hey there friends, today I'm bringing something a bit different to the table because I think it's crucial to keep things fresh and exciting, and also because it's my channel and I do what the hell I want. So I decided to unwrap my new toys and to present them to you. I've bought some new equipment and I think that it will really elevate like the level of my videos. So I wanted to share it with you to get your feedback, and maybe it can help some people around. So first off, I've got a brand new stabilizer. Now, if you've been following my journey and my videos, you know or you noticed that I've been struggling with like shaky footage. I mean, I'm quite good as being a human stabilizer, right? Holding the camera steady, but with the 50mm lens, for instance, it's been quite of a challenge. So to combat this thing, of shaking videos, particularly when I'm doing Urbex and moving a lot, it can be quite exhausting for the viewers, basically. So I've invested in this handheld stabilizer. I spotted it on Amazon, and don't worry, I'll put the link in the descriptions for you guys. But in terms of value for money, it's like great. I mean, I totally recommend it for you if you're looking to add a bit of professionalism to your videos. You see, my aim was to find something that is compact, convenient, and efficient. So for me, like this little device, it just ticks all the boxes. It's also super versatile, so I can put my GoPro, I can put a lamp like a LED, a light, and it's super cheap, it's super practical. I can take it everywhere with me. Yeah, right, it's not the super fancy one, but you know what, it's doing the job, and that's all that is important for me. So remember, it's not the gear that makes the photograph, it's how you use it. In addition to the stabilizer, I've also bought this fantastic little LED light, and just look at why this purchase was a necessity. So as you know, I love doing Urbex, and sometimes, it's super tricky because I need to have a flashlight in one hand and trying to film with the other. In also the other way, I need also to actually walk and be secure, and I have to watch around me, so it makes it a bit difficult. So actually having a reliable LED connected directly to my camera is great, and it will help me to have free hands so I can be safer. And the best part is that this light fits perfectly on both the stabilizer and my little Canon camera. And I just love the fact that I can also adjust the brightness and switch between like a white light, like the kind of hospital light. I don't like it so much, but still useful, particularly in Urbex. And also the like cozy yellow light and this stuff, and I can just adjust around. So this is super cool and super valuable for different type of project that I have also in the pipeline, not only Urbex, but as well like, portraits and so many other things. So in conclusion, two things. I am super excited with my new gear, and I can't wait to just try it on, and I'm sure you'll see a real difference in the next videos. And second of all, what I wanted to say is like, quality work does not require to break the bank. I mean, if you're intrigued and think these tools can also enhance your own filming experience, I'll just put the purchasing link in the descriptions. They are not so expensive, they are doing the job, and I think you should consider them, of course, if they match your needs. So anyways, let me know if you appreciated this video, if it brought you any value. You can, share, like, comment, subscribe, all these things. Thanks for watching, and see you!